Welcome to Eduquestzone. Let's begin the MCQs quiz. Question 61. The power factor of a pure inductive circuit is Option A 0. Power factor is 0 because voltage leads current by 90 degrees. Question 62. The commutator in a DC machine converts Option A AC to DC. Commutator converts alternating EMF in the armature into direct current output. Question 63. The voltage regulation of a transformer is maximum when Option A load power factor angle equals impedance angle. Maximum voltage regulation occurs when load power factor angle equals transformer impedance angle. Question 64. The root locus branches start and end at Option A poles to zeros. Root locus branches start from open loop poles and end at open loop zeros. Question 65. The Fourier series is used to represent Option A periodic signals. Fourier series expresses periodic signals as a sum of sinusoids. Question 66. In a parallel RLC circuit at resonance, the current is Option A minimum and in phase with voltage. At resonance, total current is minimum and equals voltage divided by resistance. Question 67. The slip in a three-phase induction motor at synchronous speed is Option A 0. At synchronous speed, slip is 0. Question 68. The short circuit ratio of a synchronous machine is Option A field current ratio for rated conditions. Short circuit ratio equals field current for rated voltage divided by field current for rated current. Question 69. The bandwidth of a second order control system depends on Option A natural frequency and damping ratio. Bandwidth depends on both natural frequency and damping ratio. Question 70. The convolution integral is used to determine Option A output of LTI system. Convolution integral provides the output of a linear time invariant system for any input. Question 71. Thevenin's theorem is applicable to Option A linear bilateral networks. Thevenin's theorem is applicable to linear bilateral circuits. Question 72. The speed control of a DC shunt motor is achieved by Option A varying field flux. Speed control is done by varying field flux, armature voltage, or armature resistance. Question 73. The corona discharge in transmission lines produces Option A power loss and radio interference. Corona discharge causes power loss and radio interference. Question 74. The steady state error for a ramp input in a type 1 system is Option A 1 by kV, finite. Steady state error equals 1 by velocity constant for a type 1 system. Question 75. The autocorrelation of a periodic signal is also Option A periodic with same period. Autocorrelation of a periodic signal is also periodic with the same period. Question 76. In an RLC series circuit at resonance, the current is The correct answer is A, maximum and in phase with voltage. At resonance, impedance equals resistance, so current is maximum and in phase with voltage. Question 77. In a DC shunt motor, if the field circuit opens while running, the motor will. The correct answer is B, run at dangerously high speed. When the field circuit opens, speed increases dangerously due to loss of back EMF. Question 78. In a power system, the function of a synchronous condenser is to. The correct answer is B, improve power factor. A synchronous condenser provides reactive power and improves voltage regulation. Question 79. The damping ratio in a second-order control system determines. The correct answer is B, oscillatory behavior. The damping ratio affects overshoot and oscillations of the system. Question 80. The Laplace transform of sin omega t is. The correct answer is A, omega s squared plus omega squared. Laplace transform of sin omega t equals omega divided by s squared plus omega squared. Question 81. Thevenin's theorem is applicable for. The correct answer is B, linear bilateral circuits. Thevenin's theorem applies to linear bilateral networks. Question 82. The speed of an induction motor decreases when. The correct answer is B, load increases. As load increases, slip increases and speed decreases. Question 83. The per unit system simplifies power system calculations by. The correct answer is B, normalizing quantities to a base. Per unit system expresses quantities in normalized form to simplify calculations. Question 84. A lead compensator is used to. The correct answer is B, improve transient response. A lead compensator improves phase margin and transient response. Question 85. The convolution of two time domain signals corresponds to what operation in frequency domain? The correct answer is B, multiplication. In frequency domain, convolution becomes multiplication. Question 86. The condition for maximum power transfer in AC circuits is. The correct answer is B, ZL equals ZS. In AC circuits, maximum power transfer occurs when load impedance equals the complex conjugate of source impedance. Question 87. In a transformer, the voltage per turn is. The correct answer is B, same for both windings. In a transformer, voltage per turn is same in both windings. Question 88. Ferranti effect in long transmission lines causes. The correct answer is B, receiving end voltage rise. In Ferranti effect, receiving end voltage becomes greater than sending end voltage at light load. Question 89. The root locus of a system shows the variation of. The correct answer is B, poles with system gain. Root locus shows movement of system poles as gain varies. Question 90. The Nyquist criterion helps determine. The correct answer is B, system stability. Nyquist criterion is a frequency domain method to determine closed-loop stability. Thank you for watching. Visit eduquestzone.com for more quizzes.